Okay, hi everybody, this is Libby from Ditch the Carbs, and we have got another low carb 5-minute tip, and we're lucky enough today to have Grant here with us. And you probably all know from previous interviews I've done, this is Professor Grant Schofield, and what I want to know today is, Grant, what does a professor eat who is low carb? Tell me what your typical day would look like.
So I don't actually have that much variation, and it looks like this. I really like eggs for breakfast, and I generally scramble them.
Yep.
And my general attitude is to add extra fat wherever possible. So I'll mix the eggs up with some cream.
Yep.
I'll put the fry pan on, and I'll add a massive dollop of butter.
Yum.
And then I'll get them scrambling.
Yep.
And then I will grate cheese on the top with a cheese grater until my arm gets tired.
So that's your measuring stick, as your arm is tied, okay?
That's correct. It's not very good at the moment because I actually have tennis elbow, not from the cheese grating, but from other activities. So I get tired more quickly, which is a shame. And then lunch in a workday is actually often a missing meal because I just get busy and I'm doing things, and so I don't.
And you probably don't notice that you're missing a meal. You're not hankering for it.
No, I'm not hangry or that. So that happens, and then dinner. I'll generally have a snack when I get home, which will be around 5, and that could be some cheese or some nuts or sometimes some super high fat yogurt with that, which is a little pre-meal.
Yep.
And then I'll just tuck into whatever animal flesh is going for the day, whether it's a piece of fish or chicken or beef or whatever it is, and then we just have veggies with salt and loads of butter on top.
Excellent.
That's the day.
And that's your day, and that's pretty much, that's as simple as it needs to be, isn't it? It doesn't need to be complicated, it doesn't need to be difficult. That's brilliant.
And because there's a view, isn't there, about low carb variety, that without variety you're going to go somehow mad, and that may suit some people, but for me the routine and simplicity of it all is actually the bit I enjoy. So that's just a different perspective.
And wasn't there some study somewhere that showed the smaller number but of nutrient dense foods you eat, the healthier you are, rather than having a little bit of something out of
every conceivable thing?
Exactly.
There may be truth in that.
Yeah, no, that's absolutely right. And I know one last question I'll give you. What do you say about moderation? Is everything in moderation? What would be your rebuttal to that?
Isn't that just a food industry slogan for justifying your own poor behaviour and the amount of ultra processed food that's around, and consuming some of it falls into the category of moderation.
And what is moderation? Moderation to you might be moderation to something completely different to somebody else.
Or the appropriate use of the word moderation is to make sure your blood glucose and blood insulin are moderate to low. That's the thing that should be moderate. If they're not moderated, so maybe that's what we really mean.
And who wants health in moderation? That's I don't want my health I want the best damn health I'm going to have.
Exactly.
So why would you do that? Well, thank you for joining us today, Grant. And for more low carb 5-minute tips, come and see us at ditchthecarbs.com. Okay, bye.